afternoon. See, for the jumping jacks, you have to stand straight and take a distance in your two legs. After taking a distance apart, keep your legs apart, and then at the same time you have to jump and put your hands aside. So it should be in a coordination. So for example, like this. Okay. So today we will start with the jumping jack. So let us see that in 1 minute time how many jumping jacks we can do. So let us start. Again you have to stand with your legs apart like this. Take a proper distance. Put your hands straight up, and at the same time now you have to lower your body down, but keeping that parallel to the floor. Your knees should get parallel to the floor like this. So at this time these legs are totally parallel to the floor, and you have to keep your body straight and hold this position. So in this way you have to do the air squats. So let us begin with the air squat.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body.
Oh God, I could today complete 34 air squats in 1 minute. Now let us see with the lunges. I'm not so very comfortable with the lunges because of my knee problem, but still I will try it. So let us start and begin with the lunges.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, yeah. Take you like a
Wow, it was a great day for me as I could do my air squat, I could do my lunges, and I can also do the jumping jacks. So altogether I have completed my 60 jumping jacks, 34 air squats and around 18 lunges in 1 minute. So it was really a very energetic way to do this exercise continuously, slowly. The boot camp team has organized it very nicely, and we could do understand, means I could speak freely that I was not knowing any term out of this. So due to the video tutorials I could make out what to do and tried to do that. So it was a fantastic time with the boot camp. I request everyone to join the boot camp. Be energetic, be healthy, be fit and be safe. Thank you.